8th Mathematics, Chapter 2, Rational Numbers.
Hello children, let us recall what you have learned in your earlier video classes. Rational number. Definition. Rational numbers are the numbers that can be written in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Examples for rational numbers. First one, 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 4 by 3. Second one, minus 8 by 9, minus 3 by 2. Third one, 5, 6, 1. Fourth one, minus 8, minus 16. Fifth one, 0. 5 basic properties of number system are closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property and distributive property. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers are closed under addition. Integers and rational numbers are closed under subtraction. Natural numbers and whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Today, we will learn the closure property under multiplication. Consider the set of natural numbers n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Consider the first example. 5 and 11 belong to n. That implies 5 into 11 that is equal to 55 and 55 belongs to n. Consider the second example. If 20 and 30 belong to n, then 20 into 30 that is equal to 600. 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros and 600 belongs to n. Consider the third example. If 50 and 10 belong to n, that implies 50 into 10 that is equal to 500 and 500 belongs to n. In general, if a and b are any two natural numbers, then their product a into b is also a natural number. If a and b are any two natural numbers, then their product a into b is also a natural number. Therefore, natural numbers are closed under multiplication. Now, consider the set of whole numbers. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, first consider multiplication of 5 and 11. If 5 and 11 belong to W, then 5 into 11 that is equal to 55. 55 belongs to W. If 20 and 30 belong to W, then 20 into 30 that is equal to 600. 600 belongs to W. If 0 and 130, 0 is a whole number, 130 is a whole number. 0, 130 belong to W. That implies 0 into 130. 0 into 130 is equal to 0 and 0 belongs to W. In general, if A and B are any two whole numbers, then their product A into B is also a whole number. If A and B are any two whole numbers, then their product A into B is also a whole number. Therefore, whole numbers are closed under multiplication. Now consider the set of integers z is equal to dash dash, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. First consider 5 and 11. If 5 and 11 belong to z, that implies 5 into 11 that is equal to 55 and 55 belongs to z. Consider the second example. Minus 20, 3 belong to z, that implies minus 20 into 3, minus into plus, that is equal to minus. 23 is a 60, minus 60 belongs to Z. Consider the third example. If minus 130, comma 0 belong to Z, that implies minus 130 into 0, that is equal to 0, and 0 belongs to Z. 0 belongs to Z. If minus 2, comma minus 30 belong to Z, then minus 2 into minus 30, minus into minus, minus into minus is plus. 2 into 30, that is equal to 60, plus 60. Plus 60 belongs to Z. In general, if A and B are any two integers, then their product A into B is also an integer. Therefore, integers are closed under multiplication. Now, consider the set of rational number. Rational numbers are represented in P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Consider the first example. 2 by 3, 5 by 3 belong to Q. Q means set of rational numbers. That implies 2 by 3 into 5 by 3. 2 5s are 10. 3 3s are 9. 10 by 9. 10 by 9 belongs to Q. If 0 and 3 by 5 belong to Q, that implies 0 into 3 by 5. 0 into 3 by 5 is equal to 0, and 0 belongs to Q. Third example, 7, minus 12 by 7 belong to Q. That implies 7 into minus 12 by 7. 7 get cancels. Remaining thing is minus 12. Answer is minus 12. Minus 12 belongs to Q. Consider another example. If 1, 5 belong to Q, that implies 1 into 5, that is equal to 5, and 5 belongs to Q. Minus 3, 3 belong to Q, that implies minus 3 into 3, that is equal to minus 9. Minus into plus is minus. Minus 9 belongs to Q. In general, if A and B are any two rational numbers, then their product A into B is also a rational number. If A and B are any two rational numbers, then their product A into B is also a rational number. Therefore, rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Home activity. Check whether natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers are closed under division. Thank you.